Hello everyone, so I'm gonna unboxing this digital indicator through wireless headset, and I have bought it, and so now I'm gonna unboxing. So look at this. This is my wireless headset. So it is a black color. Alright. Okay. So there are two earbuds for using. One is here and next. Alright. And it's a rechargeable. It is black color. Alright. And look at this, how many things they have given to me. So here is charging cable, white charging cable, and it is manual guide how will you use this wireless headset. All right. And so how many facility are there? So fast charging and call music and ultra small, wireless version V5-in-1, charging time about 2 hours, transmission distance 10 am. Alright, and this box is wonderful box. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my unboxing videos.